Welcome to August 26th pre-market video newsletter. Again, Tuesday was a pretty good day going up, and then I'm just looking at a 5-minute chart going up and down, very volatile. That's a sign of when you've got a very big resistance area. There's a fight going on right now between the bull and the bear. Same thing with the QQQ. We get this a lot of topping tails now. Definitely the bulls are losing that battle, if we want. So it's pulling back as we're looking at it right now. I'm looking at the 60-minute chart, and it's pulling back to the 60-minute, the 20 moving average on the 60-minute chart, sorry, which is good. And we can look at the QQQ and see it's the same thing right now. So that's a very important point, because we'll see if that will act as support or not. Now let's look at a few stocks that we've been covering for the last few days. QTWW, one that pulled back from this high. Now it stabilized, and today after opening and going down came back up, and that's a very good sign for a reversal. So if you were a bit aggressive on it, you were able to get in assuming it would bottom from the bottoming tail it established. So obviously that's all personal trade, but I was able to pick some hoping for this reversal. So it was a bit in anticipation, but the volume was good, and we'll see where we are in the next few days with that trade. KNDR, nice small pullback, it was expected. It's not something that can keep going up. We were up from 13 cents to 30 cents in about 6 trading days. So now this is just, for me, is perfect area. Pulled back right under the 20 moving average on the 60-minute chart. We don't have as much data, but you can see this is on this, basically this support area, which was a resistance there when we crossed it. Now it's a support, and we'll see. And we've got the 50-day moving average. That's exactly where it stopped on the 50-day, on the 60-minute chart. It stopped right on the 50-day moving average. Let's look at the daily chart now. Okay, zooming a bit. So you can see this is a great sign, of strength. Good bottom tail, and it came back up. We didn't close the day up, but still. That's very healthy. So still in it, and I actually, I'll show you something just so you see. I had bids at 23 and a half, 23, 24, and I got filled in this bar, and you can see the volume. It's 305. I probably got 100,000 shares there. So that's a good add-on to what we already have. And that's the way I trade. I always put some bids in the back when I know a trade will work, and I look at it and I feel it will work. You never know if it will work all the time, but once it's up and running and we have a winner, then I always build and place bids at key position. Now CTIC is not doing much today. That's it. Well, actually Tuesday, which is today, but I'm recording for Wednesday, so just to clarify. UOMO, nothing again. It tried, gapped up, but no real continuation. So there's still more sellers and buyer. NVSR is really causing me trouble here. I don't like that. So it's still staying in the range. It doesn't break it, so that's fine. But if it does, I'm out. That's it. 3.2, 3.1, 3. That's the range where I'll start picking some off if they don't perform. SPNG, which I don't know, I guess with experience we can see these things happen, and at the end yesterday I saw it and I knew it was just setting up with the volume, and the last volume bar that we had on the 24th was a big one, and it looked like it was about to go, and SPNG did, and we're in and happy, and we'll see what will come from there. Jazz had good continuation from it, so that's good. Good trade there. GNBT is not going up. The volume was there, but it just didn't. There's definitely selling capping this stock right now. SPHE Nothing to say really, because on very low volume it came back down, and then people are, I don't know who, but investors started to buy it and close it a bit, close to where it opened, but not big volume when you're looking at it. 80,000 shares at 6 cents. It's about 6,000, not even $5,000. So that's not big. It's pocket change. NYMH. All over the place. That's not what I want. TTEG I want to show you because a lot of people were talking about it. Was being promoted on different things, different places, and that's fine. They had a good run with that. Now we've got a big topping tail, and we'll need to wait for reversal. So it was a good kickstart in terms of volume and in terms of increase. So we'll see when we get a nice reversal or entry point. CGCA had a good trigger, was not given to you, but I got it this morning on some people sent me an email to watch it from the list, so I looked at it and it made sense, so I got into it and the volume came, so you can keep watching it. That was the first day and it looks good. The only thing you have to be concerned about that pressure right here, but still going down it was pretty smooth, nice, well done. So I guess we can have a good follow-up on this. We'll see tomorrow, but definitely that low of today at 90 cents, you should get out if we go under that. I don't know if you entered, if you did get it, because some of the subscribers were in it. You need to make sure you keep that stop loss point depending on where you are at. Okay, if you lose a 60-minute chart, you can find other points of entry and other stop loss. Let's say you were if you entered in this move here using a 60-minute chart, then 105 could be a proper stop loss based on that entry. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this helped you with all our trades going right now. And as I put in my post, I'm going out. I'm going on vacation next week, leaving Sunday. So we'll see how the market does. I'll be, still doing the newsletter. But go check my post of Tuesday morning so you get more detail. Okay, thanks a lot, and we'll see you for Thursday morning as well. Thanks.